I found you. Beautiful, exploding. I found you.
Did it again. Did it again. I did it again.
It's so squeaky.
Oh God. Well, that's just. Well, there was a candle there and ice cream. I didn't do it, but we did sing "Happy Birthday," and I'm really bad at recording. And I'm the technology geek one. And I'm really bad at recording videos. I missed a lot today. You guys missed a lot today. I feel bad for you guys because you actually got to do it. And the plate, if you can see, the plate actually says "Happy Birthday, cumpleaños feliz."